In this video today, I want to show you a unique niche that can get you money like this. Every single month, we are talking tens of thousands of dollars in passive income paid to you as a complete beginner. Without a website, without creating your videos, without showing your face on camera, without ever before stating anything. I'm going to show you how you can do this. This is very easy and anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. And you can make hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars every day. You can also start directly after watching this video because it's copy and paste and I will show you everything you need to start. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So today I wish to reveal to you this channel over here. It is an extremely easy and unique method. Possibly among the earliest ways that I have seen a person generating income on YouTube for a very long time. This person is never seen on camera. He never talks in his videos and also he doesn't film his videos. These videos are uploaded most likely every 3 days. So the work involved is not that huge. Have a look at just how much money this passive income channel is making. Currently, the niche that we are discussing is providing people solutions to smaller living space, smaller tables, smaller desks, smaller beds, all these kinds of unique things. The cool thing is, I'm going to reveal to you where you can get all this content and exactly how to place these videos together. You can start a channel like this today, as well as seriously start to run traffic and make great money online on YouTube with passive income. So the first thing that I wish to reveal to you with the channel over here. If we come over below to type by, I want to show you just how long this channel has been running. If we come over below, we click on the date added oldest. This person began this channel a year back. So the very first video was uploaded a year earlier. And the crazy thing about this channel over below is the number of views that this person gets. If we come by here, we can see this channel's most popular videos. This YouTube channel's niche gets millions of views. This video over here has 16 million views, 11 million views, 4 million views and another 4 million views. It also informs me that there is a great deal of demand of this type of channel. I also wish to reveal to you just how you can place a channel similar to this to make passive income online and make money with YouTube. As you can see, this channel is monetized. I'm going over here and also I'm going to sort by date added newest. And I will reveal to you exactly just how this person is doing this. They are also locating these videos because he is not filming anything. All this content he is taking from another website and then he is paying a debit to these channels. Let me show you what I suggest. So I showed you just how much cash he is making. If we come over here, you can see that he is getting about 8 million views every month. Also, I intend to reveal to you a bonus technique of exactly how you can make more cash online with this type of niche. So what I did is, I came by below and open up a couple of these videos. What they do is, they post a video from one channel or another website and after that they linked up one more video. I will show you just how to do that on this video today. If I play this, you can observe the transitions as they do this. So I'm going to play this right now. As you can see, this was a pause and it's gone from this scene over below, showing these drawers. After that, it comes straight over to these various other videos. It is a video from another channel to an additional website and they have placed it together. As you can see, this channel does have ads working on it. If you intended to begin this niche to earn money with YouTube, you can come below and see where they are getting all their contents from. You can do the same. Look at this link where they can take the videos and not create any of these videos. If you come by below, what they have generally done, they have put the websites over below or where they are getting their content. In some cases, they are additionally putting the YouTube channel web link because in some cases they are getting the videos from other YouTube channels. So they are just downloading these videos onto their computer and they are posting them onto their YouTube channel. When you have done a little standard modifying, it is such a unique approach. So I wish you to show you this. If we come over right here and open up one of these, let's say we open up this website over below. If we scroll down below, we can see they have got this new item. If we click onto this, what that's going to do is, it's going to show you specifically where they're getting these different videos from. Or if you click onto any one of these videos, it's going to take us over to the channel. Okay, so this website has a channel where they are getting these videos from. That's what they are making use of on their videos. All they are doing is creating this, putting these videos up on their channel. So they are taking other people's video as well as they are crushing on YouTube, guys. They are making a lot of cash online. And also you can do the very same since the channel is unique. You create your intro for your channel as well as you make your outro. Even if you wish to do a voiceover, you possibly could, but you don't need to. As you see, it's simply music and also other people's videos. I returned over to right here and I opened these videos as well over below. As you can see, this is an additional video that this person has downloaded. If you come down right here, this is where he has got all his information. If you click on this website over right here, it will take us over to this website. Also, this is where they are getting all this content from. But as you can see here, they have got the website and also they have got the YouTube channel. When you come by below, this is the YouTube channel as well as this is where they are getting these basic small clips. They are placing this with each other. And also they are making these videos on their channel currently today. I'm going to give you a massive bonus and show you exactly how you can make more money on YouTube with even more passive income. Yet I now wish to show you exactly just how to put all this with each other. The first thing that I need to do when producing one of these channels is to create a thumbnail. Currently, all they are doing with these thumbnails is they are pretty simply using those scenes from the video. They screen capture that they are coming to a site like canva.com. They are creating a very simple thumbnail. You will also utilize Canva for your thumbnails. All you need to do is come by below. Click create a design, scroll down below and click on to custom size. All you need to do is enter 1920 by 1080. You will certainly paste those two screenshots over right here. The thumbnail is very simple with this channel since as you can see there is no text overlay. There are actually two photos. To ensure that's exactly how you would produce your thumbnails, and I am most likely to reveal to you on this video just how to place two of these videos together. As soon as you get your videos with each other, you can upload them direct onto YouTube. I will reveal to you what tags to make use of and what titles to utilize too. How you will be able to see those tags. So ensure to keep watching. Okay, once you come by right here to any of these videos, I am running this software called vidIQ. These are the tags that this person uses to tell YouTube where to post this content. This is their title on their video right here. And what you intend to do is you wish to try and do some similar tags. Because we currently know that these kinds of titles are attracting a lot of viewers. So what you wish to do essentially is, you want to do similar titles and want to make use of the very same tags to drive your videos to a smaller audience. Then to see these tags, you intend to come over to a website such as this. It's called vidiq.com. Once you sign up below, you are going to have the ability to see these tags as to what they are using. You are most likely to be able to copy these tags and make use of the same tags. When you are uploading it on your YouTube channel, you have a big chance to make a great deal of cash online. Yet, you need to make sure that you sign up to vidIQ by clicking the link in the description. You can also have some extra discount if you sign up through our link. You can utilize the same tags, follow these various videos and copy them. As well as there is absolutely no reason you can't start creating these videos and making a great deal of money. Remember, this person's only been doing this for 10 months and they are crushing. If you decrease this to 10,000 a month, that is a great deal of money for someone who is posting videos every 3 days. Suppose you wish to make passive income online. In that case, you intend to begin a very simple YouTube channel without showing your face, without ever talking on there, without filming anything, then it is the kind of niche that you can enter directly after watching this video. That's it. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button and I will see you in the following videos.